If someone were to harm my family, or a friend, or somebody I love, I would eat them. I might end up in jail for 500 years, but I would eat them. If you love two people at the same time, choose the second. Because if you really loved the first one, you wouldn't have fallen for the second. Music touches us emotionally, where words alone can't. We're all damaged in our own way. Nobody's perfect. I think we're all somewhat screwy. Every single one of us. I think everybody's weird. We should all celebrate our individuality and not be embarrassed or ashamed of it. The only creatures that are evolved enough to convey pure love are dogs and infants. Just keep moving forward. And don't give a shit about what anybody thinks. Do what you have to do for you. I always felt like I was meant to have been born in another era, another time. You can close your eyes to the things you don't want to see, but you can't close your heart to the things you don't want to feel. I am doing things that are true to me. The only thing I have a problem with is being labeled. Laugh as much as you breathe, and love as long as you live. I don't pretend to be Captain Weird. I just do what I do. They say the world used to be bigger. The world's still the same. There's just less in it. Johnny Depp.